Welcome back everyone, this is Kalis Vlogs and I'm Kevin. You guys must be wondering, where am I? Well, I'm actually on the floor. I'm on the floor. Why I'm on the floor? I don't know why, but it feels very comfortable. So yeah, as you can see, I finally got a phone. I'm excited. I finally got a phone. It's not a great phone, but as you can see, it's not really bad. It's okay. It's not too shabby. So yes, thanks for tuning in and let's get this video started. To tell you the truth, I didn't really have anything planned for today. I got the phone yesterday. I was so excited, couldn't wait to create a video, so I'm recording right now. I really didn't plan anything to today. No, I just chilling. I'll be heading to work soon, so this video is going to end pretty soon. Oh, I just went to the shop to get something to eat, and I got orange juice and something they called a bulla. For those who don't know what a bulla is, a cake, a kind of cake with no ice in it. This thing here, as you can see, a bulla. I love bulla. Literally, I love bulla. So as I said before, I didn't have anything planned for today. So see you guys in a few. Okay, I'm currently on my way to work. I wanted to do a video on while I walk to work, but apparently it's raining. As you can see, the sky is very dark. It's raining, like raining hard. I don't want to damage my phone, so I'm gonna make this quick and spicy. Yes, I walk to work every day. It's about a 45 minutes walk if I walk fast. If I walk it at a normal rate, it's about it's the longest I took to get to work is 1 hour and 15 minutes. When I was walking, when I'm walking fast like this, it takes me about half an hour to get to work. And I'm walking really fast now because rain is falling. I can see my face is all wet. Yeah, so this is the avenue what I'm walking on. It's not my avenue. I live all the way up to the other side. This is half of the journey. Rain was pouring very hard then, so I didn't want to record then, but it's kind of cool down now as I'm recording. So yeah, so we'll end this video pretty soon because it seems like rain. I have no intention of stopping. Yeah, I'm finally home. Just got home from work. As you can see, it's night. I'm tired. You can see my eyes are almost closing. My back is hurting. Today was a hectic day, honestly. But I'm home and I'm happy. So thank you guys for tuning in to watch my video. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me some support by subscribing. And also click the like button. Say something in the comment here. I will reply to your comments. Yeah. So have a great night, I should say. I will know you see this video. I'm Kevin. This is KS Vlogs. And I'm out. Bye.